The Ironman 4x4 tyre repair kit is a must for anyone hitting the open road. Now this kit contains all the components you could possibly need to do an emergency repair on or off road. This kit includes the tyre repair cords, the reamer, the cord insertion tool, little container of lubrication, a pack of extra tyre valves and tool, but also included is a digital tyre gauge. Now the beauty of this kit is that it's really easy to use. It also comes in a hard travel case. It's really robust, so you can chuck it anywhere in the four-wheel drive and just pull it out when you need it.